to a quick new video that I'm going to be doing. Today is Saturday the 20th of April. I hope that I can edit and finish this today and upload it today. I have another video that I want to upload, but it's a whole problem where like I was editing and then somehow everything that I had edited deleted. So here is my quick sick day makeup tutorial. Now, this is not for you to wear when you're sick. Like, if you're sick, just go sleep it off and hydrate and whatever. But today I have to go to work, so I do not want to look like this. And so yeah, what we're gonna do, start off really quick, is I'm gonna use this total moisture from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna put that lightly all over my face, just lightly, because this is super hydrating. It's like super moist, so I'm only gonna use this tiny little bit. I'm just gonna put that all over. Ugh. So you can tell I get kind of flushed when I'm sick. I'm grabbing just a little bit more because I didn't get enough on my forehead. I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Now, hopefully I don't have to do much editing for this video because this is super quick. So there we go. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows while this thing absorbs into my skin. I've been sick last few days. I had the biggest headache in the whole world, could not get out of bed, could not move, because I got every time I got up or even moved a little bit, my headache got worse. So yeah, it was terrible. As you can see, it's super easy. Just filled in my eyebrows and we're all set to go. As you can see, I think I already said it, but yeah, I did. My cheeks get so flushed when I'm sick, so I don't mind it. It's a cute look. Not really. Okay, so my eyebrows look decent. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use this e.l.f. What is it? Prep and Blur stick, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. I'm just finishing rubbing that off. Now, I do have a mirror in the back of over here, but I need glasses. I can't see it, so that's why I needed a mirror for my eyebrows. So that product that I just put in, I'm just rubbing it into my face. And it's just gonna help me look a little bit more alive. Alright. Now, I am gonna put on foundation because I look really, really bad. So, here's my foundation. Actually, I should do my eyes first. So, for a sick day makeup look, I'm gonna go pretty natural. So I'm gonna grab my palette that I love using. This is the palette that I love the most for to use for everyday looks. I did recently get a new one, but I used that in my video that I made that I'm still fixing. I'm just gonna grab a blending brush. This is from Benefit Cosmetics Studio Pro 17. And I'm gonna go into this color right here, and this is Puree. I'm gonna grab that color and just start placing it right here in my crease area. Now, I didn't put any eye primer because I forgot, so yeah. So we're gonna keep going anyways. Next color that I'm gonna grab is, hold on, where's my brushes? Everything just disappeared. Oh, they're right here. Oh, so dumb. Can't find my brushes right now. I feel terrible. So what I'm gonna grab with my finger, I'm gonna grab this color right here, and this is called Bellini. I'm gonna grab that with my finger. I'm just gonna pat it on like that. do like to darken up my outer corners, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to grab the same brush, just because I can't find another one, and I'm going to go into the color Charmed, I'm Sure. So it's this one right here. I'm going to grab that on my brush and just put it right here. One of the reasons I do like using eye primer is because I have little veins that you can see on my eye, and I like to cover that up. Now what I'm going to do is, obviously with a different finger, I'm going to grab the color Luscious with my finger and put that in the center, just because I do like it to be more gold. Oh, I got some on my eye. Okay. Grabbing this brush. This is the only brush I've been using so far. So I'm not putting any product on it. I'm just blending right here. Okay. Alright, so that's it. Pretty quick. Now I'm just gonna put on eyeliner, and this is the Maybelline Eyestudio Gel eyeliner. And this is Blackest Black. I do not. I'm just like gonna pass out right here. My hands are shaking. I don't know if I can do this. Usually I do put on falsies like every day, but that's when I'm feeling good. Today I feel like crap, so. Oh no. I messed up. Whatever, I guess that's what we're gonna go. That's what we're wearing today. My hands are so shaky. I did that so thick. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try to wing it out, see if I don't mess that up. That came out kind of decent. It looks terrible. Just like me. Whatever. I don't really want to deal with it. I think I'm okay. Alright, next. Guys, I'm so shaky, like. Okay. Next. Gosh. I can't even breathe. I'm gonna put on my Infallible Pro-Matte foundation from L'Oreal. Put that on my sponge. I already wet this before starting recording. And that's definitely going to help cover up a lot of the redness that I have. Oh, I'm so shaky right now. I don't know. I already ate too, so it's not like I haven't eaten. I drink water. I think I've had like 2 bottles of water already. Oh, and I do not feel good. If you don't like do anything but put foundation, you can actually end up making yourself look worse because you end up looking paler because there's no dimension to your face. So it is very important that if you put foundation to add a little bit of dimension, whether it be blush, contour, or both. That's what I recommend. I do also recommend not wearing makeup when you're sick, but I actually have to go out today. Not go out, I have to work. Okay, I think that's enough. It's pretty full coverage. That's enough. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this concealer that is too light for me, but I'm only putting on a little bit, so. Now this is pretty full coverage, so like I'm using a lot of this that I put under my eye to go on the rest of my face. And I think even though it's light, the color is too light, it's gonna help so that because my under eyes do look kind of dark. They look tired because I'm sick, and I do bring that all the way over here. Looking more alive. We're looking more alive every second. Okay, next what we're gonna do is I'm gonna grab my contour kit from Anastasia. I'm gonna grab this brush from Zoeva, and it is a, oh I can't see, it is a face curve brush. So I'm just gonna grab this shade right here, and that's Nutmeg. It's the color that I always use, and just put it right here. And I don't bring it too far down. Go in circles to blend. Put a little bit up here, because I do look kind of pale. And with a smaller brush, with this brush, and it is a concealer buffer, but I'm using it for other things. I'm gonna grab same shade and just put a little bit right there. Alright. Taking off the excess product and just blending that in. Alright. My nose is getting kind of moist. So put it, and I didn't put any more product on my sponge. I'm just using what's left over to like dry. Using the medium contour, and basically, as you have seen in my videos and in my next video that I'm gonna post, you're gonna see that this is the combination I use all the time. All right, now this is a little too, no, we're fine. We'll just keep going. The reason I'm going so quickly is because I want to make this a short video, and also because my hands are so shaky, so I have no other choice. And I'm putting this up a little bit beside my face because it does help like create a narrower look for my face. Alright. Now that that's done, next we are going to finish my bottom of my eye. I'm grabbing a small detail brush, and this is from Luxie Beauty. Not that one. This one. And it's just a small detail brush. On their website you can find them. It's a set of 4. Alright, they might have them separately, but whatever. I'm grabbing Puree, which is this one right here. And then, as you can probably tell, this has like a slant right here, and it has like this little pointy part. So with this pointy part right here, I'm gonna grab Charmed, I'm sure, which is the brown that I used earlier. I'm just lining right here. Now that that's done, I'm gonna put on mascara. And the mascara that I'm going to be using is, oh, here it is. This is the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. And because I'm sick, I'm not gonna bother with lashes. I'm just putting on mascara. Oh. I don't even know if you guys can tell how shaky I am. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm gonna put on some blush, and I'm actually gonna use my Tarte blush palette, which is not even in stock anywhere. You could probably find it super expensive somewhere else on eBay, but it's gonna be this shade right here, and this is the color Live. Alright, now I feel like I'm looking too red. I don't know if it's my red that's showing through, so I'm gonna go back with my contour, and I'm getting back into medium contour, and I'm gonna add that right there. Alright, now as you can see, I sweat on my nose and it's like starting to show through, so I'm like, I keep patting my nose to absorb that. No worries, I clean my sponge after, so yeah. Okay, so let's highlight. I still kind of want to shine, so I'm going back into my Sculpt and Glow palette and getting my highlighting brush from e.l.f. And I'm gonna go into this shade 3 Wishes, which is this one. And I'm just gonna put that right there. All right. And for my lip, I'm honestly just gonna use chapstick. So, where is my chapstick? I don't know where my chapstick is. I'll be right back. Okay, so I couldn't find my chapstick that I like to use, which is the Carmex. So I just put on this one that I got in this cute little pack, and it's just a lip smacker Sprite flavored, which kind of gave me a pale look, so I kind of want to wipe that off now. And I'm gonna go look for my Carmex. But anyways, I think what I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna use this lip gloss right here, and it's the Wet n Wild Color Icon in the shade Libra. So I'm just gonna put that over my lips really quick, and that's just gonna give it some sparkle and shine. All right, next in this process, I don't feel good. I'm gonna put on setting spray, and the setting spray that I'm gonna use is, this is not technically setting spray, it is Kopari Coconut Rose Toner. This is really cute, smells good, so I'm gonna use that to set my face. Feels so good. Ooh, I opened my eye. Oh, that feels so good. I think I'm taking this to work. When I get sick, I get kind of hot in the inside, so definitely taking that to work. All right, so I think this is about it. Okay, guys, so that's it. That is my makeup look. I feel so terrible on the inside, but at least I look semi-alive on the outside. So yeah. Anyways, if I try, I could probably look alive. So let me. Oh gosh, my hair. One thing. Hold on. It's so hot. Okay, so guys, that was it. That was the look. This is the look. This is how to look alive when you're sick. Again, I don't recommend wearing makeup when you're sick. Like, seriously, just no. Like, who has time for that? This is what I wear, well, what I'm going to wear because I have to work today. So do not want to do not want to go out looking dead because I have customers to attend to. So anyways, there we go. I hope I look okay. I hope you think I look okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. Feel free to share this video so other people who might be feeling sick can watch this, you know, who are interested in looking like this. You know, you can look like whatever you want. I just prefer to kind of look like this. Anyways, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.